How to make chicken francaise for 4. What you're gonna need today is about 3 pounds of chicken, some flour, some eggs. You're gonna need some chicken stock, some parsley, lemons, and some white cooking wine, some angel hair pasta, some garlic, olive oil, and canola oil. Next, we're gonna chop down the parsley real good. We're gonna slice some lemons up, and we also gonna mince some garlic up, and you're gonna make sure that's minced up real good. Next, we're gonna season our flour with about 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper. After that, we're gonna crack about 6 eggs, and we're gonna make some egg wash. And then moving on after that, we're gonna make our lemon butter sauce. We're gonna put 2 cups of chicken stock, some lemon juice, throw a little bit of parsley, and we're gonna put our white wine and season it up. You're gonna throw way more butter than this because you're gonna wanna make sure the sauce is way more thicker. So you're gonna have to add it to your taste. Then we're gonna boil our angel hair pasta and toss it in some garlic butter and oil. Next, we're gonna get our oil to a medium-high heat, and we're gonna bread our chicken in flour, wash it in egg, and then we're gonna throw it in the oil once it's hot. Then you're gonna fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You're gonna make sure to get that nice color. Next, we're gonna plate it up. We're gonna throw some pasta on there and top it off with some chicken. Put a lemon, throw some sauce on it, top it off with some parsley, and boom,